Hello everyone, I am Aisha from the Razorpay integrations team. In this video, I will show how you can integrate the Razorpay payment gateway with your Go website. You must complete these steps in the front end and on the server. Create an order using Orders API. Add Razorpay checkout sample code to your website and pass the order ID to checkout. Verify payment signature. Verify payment status. Before we begin, ensure you have the following. Go installed on your system. In this video, we will use Go 1.4.0. Ensure you use the latest version of Go while integrating. A code editor like Visual Studio Code. Basic knowledge of HTML and Go. Access to your Razorpay dashboard account with your API key ID and secret. To interact with the Razorpay APIs, you need API keys. Download the test mode API keys from the Razorpay dashboard. Once you complete the KYC process, you can download the live mode API keys. Your project should have these files. Let's create a new Go project. Initialize a new Go module. Go mod init Razorpay Go demo. We need to add the Razorpay Go SDK dependency and other required packages to our project. Run these commands in your terminal. If you encounter the missing go.some entry error, run this command. Go will automatically download the SDK and dependencies. If you encounter errors, run go mod tidy in your terminal. Let us use Razorpay Orders API to create an order. Order is an important step in the payment acceptance cycle. Once an order is created in the server, an order ID is generated in the response. You need to send this order ID to the checkout in the index.html file. First, let's create the configuration file to store our API keys securely. Create config.go. Add the code. Now, let's create the order model. Add the code. Now, let's create an order handler to handle our API endpoints. Create order.go under the handlers folder and add the code. Save the file. We'll create a simple HTML page to accept user payment. This page will have a pay button that will be used to trigger the payment process. Create an HTML file as index.html under the templates folder and add the code. Now let's create the checkout handler in checkout.go under the handlers folder and add the code. Now that you have set up the server and the front end, you can start your Go application. Create the main application file main.go and add the code. Once the integration goes live, you can choose to use either a handler function or a callback URL to process payment responses. In this video, we are using a callback URL. Razorpay sends a callback to the sample app server. We'll implement a route to handle this callback, verify the payment, and update the transaction status. If a payment is successful, the user is redirected to the success.html page, and in case of failure, to the failure.html page. Add the code in the payment.go file under the handlers folder. Create two files success.html and failure.html under the templates folder and add the codes respectively. Add this code in the success.html file. add this code in the failure.html file. In the front end, that is, index.html, ensure that the callback URL parameter is passed. Let's test the payment integration by making a test payment on the application. Use this code to run your application. You can verify the payment status by checking the Transactions Payments section on the Razorpay dashboard. Log into the Razorpay dashboard. Navigate to Transactions, Payments. Click Details against the payment ID to view and confirm the transaction details. Congratulations! Our payment integration is working smoothly in the test mode. To accept payments in live mode and collect real-world payments, replace the test API keys with live API keys. Ensure the KYC is complete for your account to accept and settle payments as per your settlement cycle. You've successfully integrated the Razorpay payment gateway with your Go stack. You can now accept payments securely on your Go web application. If you have any issues or questions, refer to the Razorpay documentation or leave a comment below. Happy coding!